Good day, ma'am. I am Sir Michael Sindoy, first year, Block A. Today, I am going to interview a fourth year university student. So, she will introducing her name.
Good morning. Okay lang, pala lang. Good morning, ma'am. I am Arlene Arcadia, fourth year criminology student lab.
So, let's start. The first question is, what advice would you give to someone like you being a first year?
Only advice that I can give all freshmen rather is focus on your goal. Do not get involved into the things that kanang makasisira sa inyong mga pangarap. Like, avoid drinking alcohol, cigarettes, or drugs. Just focus on your goal. And never put into your mind that, di ko to kaya, pagod na ako. Just like that. Just focus and pray always that you can survive this.
So, the next question is, how do you stay focused on your goal?
Stay focused on my goals. Being positive minded. I surrender everything to God every time I have a problem in terms of academics and especially the friends. Friends can influence us to focus on our goals. And if ever you feel stress, pressure, especially sa mga nakatanggap na mga assignments, tasks, or projects, just manage your time, just focus on your study, and focus the dream that you want to achieve in the future.
So, and the last, how do you maintain a positive attitude?
To maintain a positive attitude, think the positive side, the positive energy, like you can do it. Every time you have a problem, just say, you can do it. I can do it. I survive. To maintain this positive, what is the question again?
How do you maintain a positive attitude?
Positive attitude. Always be happy, kind. Always be happy. Always put the God the center of your heart. And to maintain the positive attitude, you may choose a friends like di nakasisira ng iyong pangarap. Like, you always support each other. Friends that has a goal to survive, a goal to graduate as a criminology student. So, to maintain a positive attitude, just like what I said earlier, be kind, be humble,